Some of my friends have been sharing their testimonies of why they love their near infrared and red light therapy panels, and I just decided it was time, and I finally got one, and I am so impressed. Let me show you why. So to set up the panel for use, you can decide if you're going to hang it or if you want it to stand upright. If you hang it, it comes with the provided hardware, and if you want it to stand upright, there's this metal sturdy base. That's what I'm choosing to use. It is a very quick and simple assembly and comes with easy to read and understand instructions. And the base has those brackets on the side to keep it very secure, and it also has little feet that give it grip and prevent scratching of surfaces. The provided cord plugs in here next to the red main power switch, and the remote is very handy to have, especially when operating the panel while you're facing it and wearing the protective eyewear. This gorgeous panel is substantial in height and weight, and there you see the control panels on the device. I actually prefer to use the remote, doesn't matter which way I'm facing. So here you see I'm doing the therapy on my back, but I also will use it while I'm facing the device and of course wearing the protective eyewear. My husband was in a motorcycle accident, and he's so grateful for the 5 wavelengths of red light and near infrared light therapy that it brings him. So we are both so obsessed with this device, and it's so nice to be able to just do red light and near infrared light in the comfort of our own home. If you're ready for a high quality red light therapy, infrared light therapy panel, then I really think you're going to love this one. It is so great for me, and I think it will be for you too. So I hope you can snag one.